How to work with IFxHome Free Pocketoption Robot. One of the unique services of the IFxHome is a free Pocketoption bot for automated trading. The free Pocketoption robot, which install as a Google Chrome extension, makes transactions only in a demo account. Algorithm and signals provided by IFxHome Binary Option Bot enter into profitable positions and open it automatically. For time frames from 1 minute to 15 minutes, for automatic binary option trading can be selected in this robot. Currently, 11 trading symbols such as digital currencies, gold, oil and forex pairs are selectable in Pocketoption Free Robot. In other version of the Pocketoption, which is VIP Robot, transactions are made only in real account. For more information about Pocketoption VIP Bot, click on the provided link. Now let's see how to run and use Pocketoption Bot in free version. First click on this icon. Once you are in the Google extension, click on Add to Chrome. Then select Add to Extension. When installing the Pocketoption Google extension robot has finished, enter the trading cabin and choose Demo Account. After selecting the desired time frame and trading symbol, you can choose all of them at once, enter the amount you wish the robot to trade, then click on Get Signals. Wait and see the open or closed positions in the Trades section. As you can see here, IFxHome Trading Bot made some profit for us here. It is estimated that this robot win rate is above 85%. If you have any question, feel free to ask our support team via online chat or Telegram support. And if you are happy with IFxHome Free Trading Bot, don't forget to give us 5-star and write a comment as well. The IFxHome technical team currently working on other binary option trading bots such as QuoteX, Olymp Trade, Expert Option, IQ Option and etc. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Follow us on YouTube and subscribe.